Welcome back. Now, once we understand basic editing, we can add other media to our media bin and then add that video to our editing timeline and work with it along with the rest of our project. So for example, if we wanted to import additional media, we would go to Import. We would then click Media. And we can pull an MP4 video into our media bin. Now we can use it within our existing project or work with it in an entirely new project by adding it from the media bin to our timeline. We're now going to make the timeline smaller so that we can see the entire file. What you'll notice is that this MP4 video, when we move it from the media bin to our timeline, does not automatically split into two tracks. You'll see that it's all in one track where the audio and video are available within the same track. What we can do is we can right-click the track. We can then click the link that says Separate Audio and Video. And what you'll see then is that this video now appears in separate tracks, one audio track and one video or visual track. And we can then begin the editing process with this particular part of the clip that we have added, which was an MP4 video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.